The legacy of Rocky Mountain Orthopedics goes a long way back.
I love the fact that we have so many different subspecialties under one roof.
From total joint replacement surgery, pediatric orthopedic surgery, foot and ankle, and sports as well as upper extremity.
We want to be there for our patients and provide high level of care. We want to see them through that rough injury period and see them get better. And we can do that in a small town where I think our patients really appreciate the kind of personalized care we provide them.
You don't have to go very far to get high quality, comprehensive care.
You know, we've always put patients first the way we'd want to be treated.
We want to give our neighbors and our friends the best care that we can possibly give. We care about this community.
We are Rocky Mountain Orthopedics.
Experts in orthopedic
And sports medicine care.
Our promise
is to deliver the most advanced orthopedic care
Found anywhere in the country.
Right here in Western Colorado.